Today we are going to start a new topic, kinds of noun. What is a noun? Noun is a name of a person, place or thing, also known as naming word. It has further kinds like common noun, proper noun, concrete noun, abstract noun, countable, uncountable and collective noun. Common noun. Common noun is a word usually used to represent general things. General things like chair, table, bed, girl, boy, teacher, doctor. These are all common noun. And if we specify them by giving proper names, then it becomes a proper noun. Like Ali is a good boy. Ali over here is a proper noun and boy is a common noun. Then we visited National Park. Now National Park is a proper noun. And Karachi is known as a city of lights. The city is a common noun, but Karachi is a proper noun as it has a specific name. And concrete noun. Concrete noun is a word or is a noun which shows a solid or tangible objects. Tangible objects means that objects that can be touched. For example, person, table, chair, all these are concrete nouns that you can feel them through your five senses. An abstract noun is a noun that represents an idea or a thought. For example, love, friendship, fame, hunger. All these things can be felt, but they cannot be touched or seen. Then countable noun. Countable nouns are the nouns that can be counted or that can be numbered. For example, I have got 2 pencils. Pencils, they can be counted. I have got pair of socks, that can be counted. An uncountable noun. Uncountable nouns are those nouns that can have a quantity, but they can not be counted. For example, I bought 2 liters milk. Milk, we have got a quantity 2 liter. The liter is showing the quantity of the milk, but milk itself cannot be counted. Like I bought 3 tons of coal. A coal cannot be counted, but we have got the specific quantity of it, like 3 tons. So uncountable nouns, they have a quantity, but they cannot be counted. And collective noun. Collective noun is a noun that represents a specific group of people or things. Like bouquet of flowers, bunch of grapes, fleet of ships, troop of soldiers. These are collective nouns. Let's have a look on some of the examples. Like he is a boy. He is a pronoun and boy is a noun. Ali is a hard-working student. Ali is a noun and student is also a noun. And we are going to Lahore. Lahore is also a noun. Boy, common noun. Ali, proper noun. Student, common noun. And Lahore, proper noun. Similarly, we see stars in the sky. Stars is a common noun. But if we have the sun rises, in the east. Sun is a proper noun because we have got only one sun, and that is a proper noun. That is like a unique object. Mother loves the children. The mother is a common noun and children is also a common noun. I got my shoes mended from the cobbler. Shoes is a common noun and cobbler is also a common noun. Pakistan is my dear homeland. Now, Pakistan is a proper noun, and homeland is a common noun. Then Karachi is known as City of Lights. Karachi is a proper noun and city over here is a common noun. Emily loved spending time with her aunt Nancy in Paris. Emily is a proper noun, Aunt Nancy is a proper noun, and Paris is also a proper noun. Then let's talk about concrete noun. Now, concrete noun, the person is a concrete noun, rock is a concrete noun, and the yard is also a concrete noun. The person threw the rock across the yard. She was holding a book. A book is a concrete noun and she is a pronoun over here. Cat is a proper noun. The cat was playing with a yarn. Yarn is also a concrete noun, and cat is also a concrete noun. Abstract noun. As I have told you, abstract noun is a noun which represents a thought or an idea. So, love and friendship are equally important. Love is abstract noun and friendship is also an abstract noun. Then beauty is in the eye of the beholder. Now over here beauty is abstract noun. Then your mind can know a million things. Mind over here is an abstract noun. And countable nouns. Countable noun is a thing that can be numbered or counted. For example, there are 5 dogs in the street. Now dogs can be counted and we have got a specific number. Then I bought 3 tons of coal. Now tons is a countable noun that can be numbered, and coal is over here an uncountable noun that cannot be counted. Then Margaret has 6 pairs of blue sandals. These are also the example of countable nouns, like pairs that can 6 pairs they can be counted, and blue sandals they can also be counted. Uncountable noun, for examples are I bought 3 tons of coal. Now over here 3 tons is a countable noun, but coal is uncountable as it cannot be counted. And she has thick and black hair. Hair is also an uncountable noun and it cannot be counted. And love is an abstract noun and also an uncountable noun which cannot be counted. And collective noun refers to a group of people or things. Like the team threw confetti when it was over. Team is a collective noun. A group of players is known as a team, and confetti is also a collective noun, the small pieces of paper which are thrown when you are celebrating. So team is a collective noun and confetti is also a collective noun. Then teacher asked the class. Class, group of students, is known as class. The teacher asked the class to maintain discipline. Where is his troop heading? Troop is a group of soldiers.